Just 1, 2, 3, go. What the fuck? Might as well. Let's- Hey, hey, hey. That's a little bit better. Alright, that's a mic test from yours. Hi, I am Bones Justice. Welcome to another presentation of entertainment, or what they call it, but compared to what's on the television, shit, you might as well call this gold. Alright, this is microphone test, take 1 for S&B Eternal Entertainment presents On Top of the World with, are you ready?
Yes, of course I am.
Okay. On Top of the World with,
Oh, is this when I'm supposed to?
yeah, that's, just say your fucking name.
Don't you tell me what I can't do.
Wow, you're getting pretty old, aren't you, Cobra Comanda? Did you ever watch Lost?
Lost? Yes, I watched Lost. I was also very disappointed in the there was no reveal of the smog monster, the smoke monster. I mean, shit, after years of being hidden behind this mask, they revealed me to be an actual reptilian and turned me into an actual snake. Do you know how upsetting that is for me? But yet the smoke monster's just some guy with black hair, and the good guy, he's some guy with blonde hair. Didn't we do that 20 years ago in G.I. Joe? Starring Cobra Commander. Come on.
Alright, I think I got your levels, alright. But I actually do agree. Smoke Monster was awesome. The sound it make,
I don't care what sound it makes. It might as well have just been a fart. A big, fat fart from the writers of Lost. I watched that show in my conclave, hidden deep beneath a crater on the moon. Do you know how hard it is to get HD TV on the moon? Actually, it's not that hard because the satellites, they're right there. So it's actually quite easy to pirate. Because I am the world's best terrorist ever, Cobra Commando. But yeah, the loss kind of left me hanging. And I am a snake. I hang on things. Yeah. Smog monster. Big, fat, fart. from some guy with black hair. Come on, please.
Okay. Damn. You should probably save that for the show, man. This is just a mic test.
Okay. Well, I got some other stuff to do anyway. You wouldn't happen to, have a little. The opposite of. Do you know what I'm talking about?
I'm still recording this, but yes, world, welcome to reality. Cobra Commander smokes weed. There you go.